you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue. I go crawling down the avenue. There is nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret, the winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I can make you happy and make your dreams come true. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth to make you feel my love. Go to the ends of the earth to make you feel my love.
Thank you very much. Cool. So next up, I think I'm going to do a Beatles song. Feel free to sing along if anyone wants to. This is a song that I recently learned for one of my friends' wedding, and I had to sing it just after they'd arrived up the aisle. It was terrifying.
Nothing you can do that can't be done. Nothing you can sing that can't be sung. Nothing you can say, but you can learn to play the games easy. There's nothing you can know that isn't known. Nothing you can see that isn't shown. No way you can be that isn't where you're meant to be. It's easy. Is all we need. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. There's nothing you can know that isn't known. Nothing you can see that isn't shown. No way you can be that isn't where you're meant to be. It's love is all you need. Thanks for the clapping along over there as well.
So this next song you might not know. It's a song by someone called Fada Freddy, and it's called We Sing in Time, and it's my absolute favourite song at the moment. I love it.
Let us pretend we've got it together. Let us ignore the coming sun. We'll sing that body electric until machine and soul are one. I've seen the tweakers struggle, syringes line the floor. The tycho churned to life, dead end jobs in a government war. In time, the trees die and the light will fade, but I hope for a new breath, a new life to take me away. In time, the trees die and the light will fade, but I hope for a new breath, a new life to take me away. I've seen the monsters tremble through woods and fields they soar. What sort of wild and blight for our children must we leave? I'll spend the nation's budget, let's send boys overseas to fight in wars and deserts instead of teaching them to give and need. In time, the trees die and the light will fade, but I hope for a new breath, a new life to take me away. In time, the trees die and the light will fade, but I hope for a new breath, a new life to take me away. In time, the trees die and the light will fade, but I hope for a new breath, a new life to take me away.
Thank you. So I'm going to lively things up a little bit now. This next song is a Disney song, and it's a song that I learned. I went on a busking trip around New Zealand last year, and I just took my guitar and a rucksack, and basically I realised that all you need is the bare necessities.
Look for the bare necessities, those simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean those bare necessities, and Wyatt Beck and Rustides were just the bare necessities of life. And wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of my big home. And the bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. And if you look under the rocks and plants and take a glance at the fancy ants, and maybe try a few, the bare necessities of life will come to you. They'll come to you. Look for the bare necessities, those simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean those bare
So next up, I'm going to play you one of my songs. This is a song called Till the End that is the title track of my new album. And it is a song that I wrote for one of my really good friends. She was going through a really tough time. So I wrote this to try and cheer her up, basically. I hope you like it.
But it was meant to be raining. You were shamelessly on the brink, blatantly meant to be dancing. And you think you'll never see the stars like you did. And you think you'll never your heart like you did. Could you love like you've never been hurt, and sing like you know all the words? But if you scream it on me, the world stops for me, and I'll lie with you facing the dark, and we'll hope till the end of the world. And one day we will run away, leave all the mess we made, and we'll dance in the sun and rain, chase all the clouds of grey. You'll start to see the stars like you did, and you'll start to feel your heart like you did, and you'll love like you've never been hurt, and sing like you know all the words. But if you scream it on me, stops for me, and I'll lie with you facing the dark, and we'll hope till the end of the world. The life that you leave is the life that you'll lead. Don't fight it, and the hope that you need, you can steal it from me. Don't hide it. Do no wrong. If you love like you've never been hurt, and sing like you know all the words, we won't scream till we're free and knee deep in the sea, and we won't lie face down in the dark. We hoped till the end of the world. Thank you very much. Gonna move on over here. So this next song is a Charlie Chaplin song. He wrote it, and it's my grandma's favourite song, so I thought I'd play it. It's called Smile. Smile though your heart is aching. Smile even though it's breaking. Though there are clouds in the sky, you get by if you smile through your fears and sorrow. Smile and maybe tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you. Light up your face with sadness, hide every trace of sadness, although it's here, maybe ever so near. That's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll see that life is still worthwhile if you just smile. Thank you. Sorry about that. I'm going to do another one of my songs, if that's okay. This is the first song from my first album, and it's a song about moving on. It's called Deep Water. I chopped the wood when I learned to walk, and I made the ropes from the dreams of a child. I carved the mast with a knife from my heart, and I found the sail in the back of my mind. And there were times when it all came apart, and all I had was splinters in my hands. So I made it stronger second time around. Now I don't need an anchor. No, I don't need an anchor. Deep water clear, deep water blue. I'm heading for deep water. I'll throw the rod in the boat and come on. I'm setting off for deep water. All my friends lined up on the harbor wall, 'cause these knots have got to be untied. So push me off and let me catch the wind. Now I don't need an anchor. No, I don't need an anchor. Deep water clear, deep
Thank you. I think I'm going to do a song by Radiohead. I was a massive fan of Radiohead when I was growing up. This song is called Karma Police. This many talks in mass. He buzzes like a fridge. He's like a teaching radio. Karma police, arrest this guy. Is making me feel ill, and we have crashed a party. This is what you get, and this is what all I can, but it's not enough. I've given all I can, but we're still on the payroll. And this is what you get. This is what you'll get, and this is what you'll get when you mess with us. For a minute there, I lost myself. Thank you very much. I'm going to do an old classic. This is a song from the Second World War, which was made famous by Vera Lynn. And it's a song where people were looking for a time that war was over and peace prevailed over the white cliffs of Dover. And I absolutely love this song. I think it's lush.
Just you wait and see. And there'll be love and laughter and peace ever after. Tomorrow when the world is free. And the shepherd will tend his sheep. The valley will bloom again, and Jimmy will go to sleep in his own little room again. There'll be bluebirds over the white cliffs of Dover. Tomorrow, just you wait and see. And there'll be love and laughter and peace ever after. Tomorrow when the world is free. Thank you. Hop back over here again. So next up, this is a Roberta Flack song that again I had to learn for the same wedding that I learned All You Need Is Love for. And this I had to play as they were walking down the aisle, which was terrifying. And the first time ever I saw your face, I thought the sun rose in your eyes, and the moon and the stars were the gifts you gave to the dark and the endless skies, my love, to the dark and the endless skies, my love. And the first time ever I kissed your mouth, I felt the earth move in my hand like a trembling heart of a captive bird that was there at my command, my love, that was there at my command, my love. And the first time ever I lay with you, I felt your heart so close to mine, and I knew our joy, it would fill the earth and last till the end of time, my love, and it would last till the end of time, my love. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm going to do an older song. This was written in 1910 by Weatherly, and it's been covered by hundreds of artists. So Bing Crosby, Tom Jones, Eva Cassidy, Thin Lizzy. Loads of people have covered this song. I really like it. Sorry about that. I'm back. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. And the summer's gone and all the roses falling. 'Tis you must go and I must bide. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow, or when the valley's hushed and white with snow. Danny boy, oh Danny boy, I love you so. But if you come and all the flowers are dying and I am dead, as dead I may well be, you'll come and find the place where I am lying and kneel and say, and Ave there for me, and I shall hear those soft you tread above me, and all my grave shall warm and sweeter be. If you abandon and tell me that you love me, I'll sleep in peace until you come to me. Thank you. I really love that song. It's lush. Cool. I think I'm going to do another song from a musical. This one's from The Sound of Music, which was a massive childhood favourite. I love this musical. I watched it about 100 times every Christmas. And it's called Edelweiss. Feel free to sing along if you know it, or sway, or do a little dance. Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright. You look nice little ditty, isn't it? I love it. I'm going to do another one of my songs. This is a song about Noah's Ark and Noah forgetting his wife in the flood. It's called Ark in C sharp. Come back for me and let me show ya we were meant to be, and it's not over till the earth becomes the sea. Come back for me. It's getting dark out here. How could you disappear? Blood and thunder makes me wonder what happened to the sun. Weren't you the one? Oh, please come back for me and let me show ya we were meant to be, and it's not over till the earth becomes the sea. Come back for me. No, please come back for me and let me show ya we were meant to be, and it's not over till the earth becomes the sea. Come back for me. Thank you. I think I'm going to do a song by Elvis Presley, more recently covered by UB40. Wise men say only fools rush in. I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Should it be a sin? I can't help falling in love with you. As the river flows gently to the sea, darling, so we go
some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. I can't help falling in love with you. I can't help falling in love with you. Thank you. Losing my voice a little bit now. I'm going to do an old disco classic. This is a song by Candy Staton. What's the sense in sharing this one lonely life? In the end, it's just another lost and lonely wife. Count up the years, they will be filled with tears. Love only breaks up to start over again. You get your babies, but you don't have your man. He spends his time loving every woman he can. You say, I'm gonna leave 1,000 times a day. How can I turn loose when you just won't break away? Just won't break away. Oh, young hearts, run free. Never be hung up like my man and me. It's our time now, just one crack at life. We are living all this trouble and strife. My mind must be free, learn all I can about me. I'm gonna love me for the rest of my days. Encourage the babies every time they say self-preservation's what's really going on today. You say I'm gonna leave 1,000 times a day. How can I turn loose when you just won't break away? Just won't break away. Oh, young hearts, run free. Never be hung up like my man and me. Oh, young hearts, yourselves be true. Don't be no fool when loving is all there is. Thank you very much. I think I've just got time for one or two more before the show starts. I'm going to do another one of my songs. This is a love song, and it took me about 2 years to write this. It's called Lose My Way. I think in 3/4, I think a free fall would do me good. My heart is in you, it beats for you like it should. I'll be someone only you know, and I'll be let's hope until we drop and love until we stop. And I'll always lose my way over you. Yeah, don't worry, 'cause I won't. We'll live until we don't. And I'll always lose my way over you. I will waste your time if you waste all mine endlessly. I'll be the left hand, you be the right hand melody. I'll be someone who only you know, and I'll be yours till you let me go. So let's hope until we draw and love until we stop. And I'll always lose my way over you. Yeah, don't worry, 'cause I won't. We'll live until we don't. And I'll always lose my way over you. And you'll be my only word, my only word. So let's hope